Here, the first step of manufacturing a Key West boat, we've had our mold, and the mold's waxed, and here he's applying the gel coat. He's going to apply a little extra gel coat in the areas that are hard to spray on. We want to make sure that the gel coat is the exact thickness throughout the whole boat, so some areas he'll need to apply with a brush that are difficult to spray to. The gel coat is the finish on the boat. This is what you get to see. This is the waterproofing on the outside of the fiberglass. And he's putting this gel coat on, and he's got to apply it at the exact right millage to make sure that we'll get the proper weathering of the boat. If you're too thin, you'll get alligation. The gel coat will wear out. You won't have the waterproofing. If you get it too thick, you'll have stress cracking and problems with weathering later too. So this is the most important step to make sure that the gel coat is put on at the right thickness. This is inside out and backwards. You have to think inside out and backwards. He's putting the paint on first, and then we're going to put the fiberglass on the paint, on the gel coat. What we were just doing, you seen Willie did, is he used this mill gauge, and this checks the millage of the gel coat while it's wet. He depresses this into the gel coat, and these ridges are at different heights, and as the ridge, as the one it touches, that's the amount of thickness that we have in there. So he'll do that on the first coat, make sure he's exactly where he wants to be, come back and put a second coat and check that again to make sure that he's the exact millage that he needs to be. And then when he's finished, we'll go through another QC process to make sure that he's all done his job right and that the boat is perfect before we go to the next step.